When it comes to email marketing, one of the most common things I hear people worry about is how often should I send email? Now, you've probably heard that the number one reason for unsubscribing from a list is that you're getting too many emails. But many people err on the side of sending too few emails because, well, you're afraid of spamming people. What's the right email frequency for your business? To find out, keep watching. Hi, I'm Tom Malesic, founder and president of Easy Marketing, and you're watching Ask Easy. This is where small business owners go to get real answers to their marketing questions. How often you should send email really depends on your business and what you're selling. But to figure out what makes sense for you, here are 4 key rules you should follow. Rule number 1, email as often as you have something valuable to say. I have the same rule with social media too. Don't just post for the sake of posting, and don't just email for the sake of emailing. If you can't find something valuable to send, people aren't going to open your emails and you're going to end up wasting your time. But what do people want? The top 2 reasons people sign up for email lists are 1, they want your sales, promotions, and coupons. And 2, they want to get regular updates and information about your company. So a simple approach would be to email every time you have a sale or you have new content like a blog post or a video that you want to share. Rule number 2, establish a rhythm. While you don't need to lock yourself into a rigid schedule, do try to establish a rhythm. You don't want to send 3 emails in a single week and then go months without sending anything. Creating a regular rhythm helps people to get to know your business, keeps you top of mind, and hopefully makes them look forward to seeing your next email in their inbox. Which leads me to rule number 3. Let subscribers know what to expect. One of the best ways is to do an automated email welcome series. When someone signs up for your list, let them know in your welcome emails what kinds of content they should be expecting from you and how often. By setting expectations up front, you can get new subscribers excited to hear from you and reduce the chances that they'll unsubscribe from getting unexpected emails. Finally, rule number 4, watch your metrics. Keep an eye on your unsubscribe rate. It's normal for a few people to unsubscribe, but if you have a ton of unsubscribers, you may be sending too many emails. If people are marking it as spam, that's an even bigger red flag. Also, watch your open and click rates. These may vary from email to email, but if you see a pattern of open and click rates declining over time, that may be an indication that people are tired of getting your emails and you may need to change up your frequency a little bit. So how often should you send email marketing? It really depends on your business, but if you thought about those 4 key rules and you're still stuck, here's a general guideline. For most small businesses, once a month is a great place to start. Once you get going with email marketing and you're sending out different types of emails, try increasing it to once a week. This is the most common frequency among marketers. If you're a B2C business who has offers or sales that constantly change, you may want to increase this to 2 or 3 times a week. If you have more marketing questions like this one, come ask them during our free Marketing Fridays. It's an open Zoom call where you can ask me anything and I'll provide free advice and help. It's every Friday from 12 to 1. Just click on the link below. And of course, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.